Action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Amalia. I'm a young teenager for PD Singly. I give good appreciation to them who make this agenda PD Educational Festival. The second PD Educational Festival. I think it's good agenda that can lead the young teenager best in their educational and I hope this agenda will make not in this year but in the next year, and I give for the best appreciate to Gempi full appreciate that make this agenda. I think just that, and good luck for this agenda, and let's celebrate and make our PD more better and better. Thank you.